Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omar Butt and today I'm going to show you that how you can set up a WordPress website in seconds with using Local by Flywheel. So whether you are a beginner or even you are a seasoned experienced developer, and this tool will be a game changer for creating local WordPress sites easily and quickly. So let's dive in, and first you need to download and install. So first you need to download and install Local by Flywheel. If you have not already, it's free, open source, and it works on operating system like Windows I have. And once it is installed, then you can open the app and then you will see a clean and user-friendly interface. But before this, definitely we need to download and install it. So for this we will go to localwp.com. So localwp.com, you can see the #1 local WordPress development tool, an effortless way to develop WordPress sites locally. So you can download it for free, and you can see, as I told you, automatic WordPress installations, local setups, WordPress for you. One click and your site is ready to go, SSL included. Local Connect advanced development features like SSH access, WP CLI, and Magicync and live links. Sorry, one-click admin, so no need to manage various usernames and password. Just with one-click admin, you can navigate to the dashboard of any WordPress website. For instance, if you have 5 websites, local websites, so you can navigate to the any WordPress website just by with one click. Cloud backups, a collection of pre-launch tools like link checker and image optimizer and instant reload features. So you can deploy your site with confidence thanks to tools like the tools that I explained. So we need to download. So download for free, it's from here. So please choose your platform. As I told you, I'm using Windows, so I will download it for Windows operating system. But don't worry if you are using Mac operating system, so you can select Mac, and if you are using Linux operating system, so you can select Linux operating system. And the first name here, I will write my name, last name this, and please choose your organization type. Like if you are working in an agency, you can select agency. If you are an independent freelancer or consultant, then you can select or other. If you if you fall in other categories, so you can select other, but I will select independent freelancer or consultant. Work email we can select here, and get it now. So just click on get it now and it will start downloading. So see, your download is starting and your download should start automatically. If it doesn't, then you can click here. So this is almost actually it's 682 MB, and it's downloading now, almost 30 MB downloaded. So I will pause the video. Once the download will complete, I will resume it. So the downloading process is approximately going to complete. So once it completes successfully, then we will start installation process, and it has been completed. So now just we need to wait a few seconds. Once this pause button and close button, cancel button will disappear, then the downloading completed. A few seconds, just few seconds more. Like here you can see this one. Now it has been installed, so we can open it by double click here. So I am in my downloads folder, so let me start it from here. You can see it is starting, and choose installation options, So anyone who uses this computer or only for me? So I will select anyone who uses this computer. Now maybe this screen is not showing in the screen recording, but if it is showing, then it's okay. So here, user account control, it's asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So you can select yes. So always you need to select yes, choose install location. So you need to install, select the location. So destination folder, C, program files and local. So you can install here, and it is installing now. So you can see the installation process is also very easy. So now it will take few minutes, few seconds or few minutes here. So you can see the green line is here. After once the installation will be done completely, so we will be able to run the program local, and then we can set up WordPress websites. So let me pause the video. Once it completes, I will resume it. So you can see green line has been done, and you can see completing local setup. So run local and finish. So it will start automatically. First time it will start automatically because run local was checked. Next time you can open it from your desktop icon. Sorry. Now it's saying, see, looks like you have not created any sites yet. So create a new site. For example, my business name is Irza Fatima IT Solutions. So I want to create a new site for this business locally. So create a new site. You can create from a blueprint or select an existing zip or drag your file into the window to import a site. So what I will do, we will select this, create a new site. This is already selected, so continue. What is your site name? So you can type here Irza Fatima IT Solutions. And advanced options like see Irza Fatima IT Solutions dot local. See, therefore I type all small letters. If I type like Irza Fatima IT Solutions, so it will be like this, hyphen will be in between if we use space in between the words. So better Irza Fatima IT Solutions like this dot local. Just like when a website is online, so there are extensions like .com, .net, .org and .com, .pk, .us. So here it will be local because this is locally installation. Now local site path will be this if you want, so you can browse it from here, and then but we will remain like this and continue. Now choose your environment, so you can select preferred PHP 8.2.23 web server, Nginx and MySQL version 8.0.35. If you want to change, so you can click on custom and you can select from here like PHP which version you want, but I will go with preferred options and then continue. Now WordPress username you can type here like admin or anything, and the password I will type here this, and the WordPress email will be like this. And there are few advanced options like the language, and is this a WordPress multi-site? So just we will remain this because this is a single site, no, and language definitely we are going to work with English language, therefore we will not change it. Otherwise if you want to change, you can change. So now click on add site. Now it will ask you about several times, 2 or 3 times, like yes or no. A permission will appear, so you need to press on this yes icon. Maybe this Windows permission will not appear in the screen recording, but it will definitely ask you during the installation process. So see, now it has been appeared in my window. Maybe it's not appearing showing in this recording. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Windows command processor, verified publisher Microsoft Windows user control, account control. So just click on yes. Now it's installing WordPress, adding WordPress, a lot of step it is, you can see is doing. You need to wait a few minutes or few seconds. It depends, you know, how fast your system is and how fast your internet is, because it is downloading the files from WordPress directory and it is saving in your local Windows computer. So you will be able to use, design, build your website in your computer. So you can see com.getflywheel.local is a Fatma IT solutions added. Now you can, on this one-click admins, the next time you will not you don't need to add username or password always. Here you can see database details, you can open adminer, evo, localhost and other things and tools like you can see here. So WP admin, now you can open it from here and it is opening. You can see see, because I turned on this one-click admin, so I am logged in now in the dashboard without username and password. So username and password already there and it's login. So now you can see now it's a fatmaitsolutions.local and we can open site from here, and we have successfully set up WordPress site within few seconds using local by Flywheel. Now all things we can see. If I go to like themes and now add new theme, for example I want to install institute, for example education or institute, we can search like see VW Coaching Institute, Academic Institute. So if I want this with courses also here, so I can install this Academic Institute theme. So once the installation of this theme will done, so we can activate. This is just an example I am showing this step. After this we will stop this videos because we have done actually the purpose that we discussed, so activate it. So now you can see, if you refresh your website, so you can see how incredibly it has changed the theme, and you can see now all these things I can replace with my own content. So the website is ready, the dashboard is ready, and now the WordPress WP setup is ready, and now we can customize our website. So this is the example that I showed you, that how to change the theme. So how incredibly we have done this thing. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video, and if you want like personal teaching from me for WordPress, so you can also send comment below in this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things and they can increase their professional skills. I have some courses also, so I can share with you some playlist also that I have already in my YouTube, so you can also watch them. So there are courses, different courses, you can see them, you can increase your professional skills. Also subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.